Hi, this is Yolanda. This is my reborn. I'm doing a shout out for 13 Tiny Miracle Reborn Nursery. Alina, she had made me this doll. His name is Austin Toby, and just wanted to let her know how he been doing. And he is very very good. I got him a cute little outfit that he's got, little tennis shoes, and he got a little tiger toy that he loved very much to hold on to. And before, when I first had him, his hair was more longer and fuller. And somehow my ex-friend of mine cut his hair off. I mean, not cut it off completely, but she made it short. As you can see how it is in the back. And then the side, the top, and then the other side. So I'm very disappointed in her for what she did with my doll, but I guess that I don't know why she did it. And I have another reborn. A neighbor of mine had a reborn for the longest time, maybe a couple of years, a year, and she had no longer use for it. She's a very old lady, elderly lady, sorry. And she told me that I can have him. I mean, just like that. Like, really? Like, wow. So I'm going to show him right here. Hold on. Let me grab him. There he is. I don't know what maid. I think he's a Meg from Marissa May, I believe. He had a magnetic Patty. Oh my gosh. And she told me her great granddaughter used to play with him. And I don't know what she told me. She don't know what she did to it. And I tell you why. Let me turn the baby around so you can see what I'm talking about. Back here, what she did to this poor little baby hair. I don't know if she ripped it off, or cut it off, or shave it off. I have no idea. He had no hair at all back here. You can see the dot that it had been rooted there before. And he had a little bit of hair on top. And let me turn it around. And the side. So I felt sorry for this poor little baby boy. He had hardly any hair. I mean, just the top of it, you know what I mean? I felt sorry for this poor little guy. And he's just a cute little thing. And I didn't have a shoe for him yet because I haven't had a chance to buy him one. But this is the outfit that, actually I bought this outfit for him. But when she gave me the doll, he didn't have no clothes on. All he had was a body, soft body. He had a tummy plate with what do you call it, correction, a private part. He had all that, and he had the back plate also. And she gave it to him naked. No clothes, only a diaper. But I felt sorry for this poor fella, so I decided to put his clothes on him. It fit him perfectly. But it fit him a little bit big because he's smaller than him. And this is a 0 to 3 month clothes. And so is this one, a newborn. So I don't know what's going on with that. So anyway, I'm just letting you know that Austin's doing very well. And so is, his name, he already had his name. His name is Edward Mason. Why Edward Mason? Because she is a Twilight fan, and she loved Edward Mason, Colin. So she decided to call him Edward Mason. So I mean, okay, I mean, it's a cute name, but I like the Twilight too. But I never thought of it, name a baby after a Twilight character. So anyway, so I'm just letting you know, Elena, that Austin doing a very good deal. I love him so much. He's just a chubby little boy. And he's cute too. I just really had him for a week, and I love him too. He's adorable, but not chubby as he is. But I think he's like a 20 inches tall, a 20 inches doll, I think. And I forgot how many inches he is. So just letting you know what's going on with my baby. So now I have 2 handsome boys. So I guess I see you. And Alina, when you have a chance, chatting with me when I get on YouTube. So that's the only way options I have. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.